If you're a new instrument-rated pilot, this is how a typical summer flying in the south and southeast looks like. It all starts with a flight plan. I use ForeFlight for my flight planning. I simply put the departure and arrival airport and select a route from a list of previously ATC cleared routes. You can always file direct to destination, but that may not always work. In busy airport environments such as Houston or Atlanta, they will likely give you a different, longer route to accommodate their traffic flows. So it is always more efficient to select a previously cleared route and negotiate for shortcuts later on during the flight. Now that I know what to expect, let's get the IFR clearance.
Good morning, ground Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, looking to pick up IFR to Meridian.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, I'm trying to clearance clear to the Mike Echo India Airport via Alexandria 3 departure. Alexandria direct, maintain 2000, expect 7000 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 119.7, squawk 2757.
November 900 Alpha Whiskey, cleared to Meridian, Alexandria 3 and direct to Alexandria. 2000 feet, expect 7000 in 10 minutes. Departure frequency is 119.7, squawk 2757.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, read back correct?
I typically load my entire flight plan on my GPS on the ground, including bugging altitudes and headings when possible. In this case, I was given a departure procedure to exit the Houston Bravo. A departure procedure is simply a predefined route consisting of several waypoints or fixes.
170 and IAS FD is on heading mode. Ground Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey at the Charlie ramp near Gill Aviation, ready to depart with information. Bravo.
0 Alpha Whiskey, runway 17 right at Charlie, taxi via Charlie and verify information. Bravo.
Runway 17 right at Charlie via Charlie. We do have information. Bravo 900 Alpha Whiskey. Those birds. Yeah, Nana.
Why do they talk?
It's their job.
And they say 4,700 broken.
Yeah, that's the weather condition.
That's the weather.
Okay, oil pressure looks good. Oil temperature is good. We got enough fuel. Let's do the prop. Alright, prop is good. Okay, so I got the flight plan. Let's go check it, make sure it's all good. 67 Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, holding short at Charlie at 17 right.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, turn right heading 290, and also right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Turn right 290, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff 900 Alpha Whiskey, thank you. Okay, lining up with the runway. Looks good, airspeed is alive.
Number 2, 17 left, clear for the
taxi light, landing lights out. Alright, that's 500 feet. Turn right.
Number 0 Alpha Whiskey and maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000 0 Alpha Whiskey.
Number 0 Alpha Whiskey, can I use the departure to you?
Contact departure 0 Alpha Whiskey, thank you so much for your help. Departure Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, just departed hooks, climbing to 2000.
November 900 Alpha Whiskey, departure control. The radar contact, climb maintain 5000, state your altitude leaving.
Climbing maintain 5000, we're leaving 1500 to 5000 900 Alpha Whiskey.
Thank you.
Alright, no worry.
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, request a base and tops report please on the climb up.
Yeah, we will do that, 900 Alpha Whiskey.
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, turn right heading of 360.
Right 360 0 Alpha Whiskey. Departure 900 Alpha Whiskey. The bases are 2600. It appears the tops are 3800. They're all broken to scattered.
2638, thank you.
Okay, oil pressure looks good. Oil temperature is looking good. Welcome back. We are departing Houston. We're climbing to 5000, so we're...
Number 0 Alpha Whiskey, turn right heading 030.
030 for 0 Alpha Whiskey. So we are going to be leveling at 5000 right now.
Though I was on a departure procedure, ATC directed me around for traffic.
Yeah, it's gonna be, looks like it's gonna be a hot, bumpy day here. Heading towards our destination. There are a bunch of clouds here.
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, turn heading 040.
040, 0 Alpha Whiskey.
November 8, correction November 9, 0 Alpha Whiskey, proceed with music and join the departure.
Sorry, say that, fix again in Alpha 90 Alpha Whiskey.
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, direct music and join the departure unless you have something different.
Yeah, I had a Velco here, a daughter and a Velco here, 90 Alpha Whiskey.
Okay, go direct Velco, November 0 Alpha Whiskey.
Direct Velco, 90 Alpha Whiskey.
Now comes the fun part. Navigate around summer buildups and thunderstorms.
Departure Bonanza 90 Alpha Whiskey. It looks like we have a storm in front of us. Can we climb to 7,000 and get some left or right deviation, please?
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, turn 20 degrees left, climb and maintain 7,000. I just showed some light precipitation ahead, but 20 left is approved in 7,000.
Not all of them are bad, but updrafts and downdrafts in the buildups can cause some turbulence, and I avoid them when possible.
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, approved. November 0 Alpha Whiskey, we did have some traffic go near that weather that you're looking at, and tops in the area were around 10,000.
0 Alpha Whiskey, thank you. We'll just have to deviate around this then.
That's fine, sir.
Though ATC said mild precipitation, that cell did not look right to me, and I chose to go around it instead of going through it.
Departure 0 Alpha Whiskey. We'll try to go to Velco right now.
Okay, sir. As you're able, November 0 Alpha Whiskey, approved.
Thank you.
Sometimes it is not possible to navigate around them, especially when they are part of a weather system. If you don't feel right, it is best to wait out the weather, like I did during my trip to Houston.
Houston Center, Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey. Requesting direct to Alexandria when able.
November 0 Alpha Whiskey, clear direct to Alexandria.
Clear direct to Alexandria, 0 Alpha Whiskey. Thank you.
As you fly along, you will be handed off to one controller to another along your route, finally to the destination approach controller, who will then ultimately hand you off to the destination tower controller or let you switch to a local Unicom if the destination airport is not towered.
Hey, welcome back. We are landing in Meridian. On our way to Houston, we did land in Meridian. It's a beautiful FBO, so worth checking out. They have free ice cream and they even have pizza and fruit. We're headed back home, so we're stopping at Meridian again. We'll take a break and get gas. Fuel price is reasonably cheap compared to PDK at least. We got about 18 minutes to go, 48 miles. I still don't have the Meridian weather yet. Not sure which runway they're using.
4007. Temperature
0 Alpha Whiskey, contact Meridian approach 120.5.
120.5, 90 Alpha Whiskey. Thank you.
Yeah.
Flash VOR Bravo.
Meridian approach, Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, level 5000. We have information uniform.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, Meridian approach, altimeter 2995. 2995, would you like runway 19 or 22?
We'll take runway 19er. We'll take runway 22, 0 Alpha Whiskey.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, copy, expect visual approach runway 22. Suspend the pilot's discretion, maintain 3000, report when you have the field in sight.
Alright, we'll descend to 3000 and I will expect runway 22, 0 Alpha Whiskey. So we're gonna run left downwind. Let's get the tower information here. Okay, Cal flaps on. Make sure we're gonna turn it at 3000. Approach Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey. We have the airport in sight.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, clear visual approach runway 22, contact T Tower 133.97.
Clear for visual 22, contact tower 900 Alpha Whiskey. Thanks for your help. Meridian Tower, Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, about 12 miles to the west.
Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, Key Tower, report a 2-mile right base runway 22.
2 mile right base for runway 22, 900 Alpha Whiskey. Alright, turn the autopilot off. Put the gear down. Approach flaps. Meridian Tower, Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey, about 2 miles out.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, runway 22, wind 2205, clear to land.
Runway 22, clear to land, and 0 Alpha Whiskey. Alright, so that's the airport right there. Alright, make sure this gas looks good.
500.
Alright, final. Flaps. Descent to 90 knots. Alright, runway made.
Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey, turn left next taxiway and taxi depart via left on Bravo this frequency.
Alright, left at taxiway Charlie and on Bravo, I'll stay with you. Bonanza 0 Alpha Whiskey. Hello Kavya. Hey cats. We are back to Meridian. What happened, Ram? Are you good? Hey, you're gonna get ice cream. You wanna get an ice cream? Yes or no? No, we're gonna park next to another cool fighter jet. What kind of habit is this? Eating ice cream, parking next to fighter jets. Alright, avionics. Master switch on.